Okay, this is an app that's on an Android phone. I'll put a link to this app in the description of the video. This is a Bluetooth app, and it's going to connect to the yellow and white motor. We cannot find this app in the Google Play Store. That's why I'm going to give you a link. When we open this app to control this motor, it's now connected. It stopped blinking green. It connects automatically. Choose that, choose this, choose programming. We want the programming mode with blocks. There is a remote control system here, but we don't want the remote control system. We want the programming mode with blocks. Now I'll show you, this is the name of the motor. This is what I search for. Programming ML motor seems to bring up on AliExpress this motor that we're using. Here are the blocks. They've come up. It takes a few seconds for the blocks to come up on a mobile device. Could be a Android, could be Apple, could be a phone, could be a tablet. Now we're connected and we can make this motor turn using programming. And the first thing I'm going to do is pull out motor speed right here and make the motor speed as slow as possible. Now it should give me the option to do slow. Now, that's the slow speed. Put that in the trash can. Now the motor. Now press the play arrow. And the motor runs at slow speed for 2 seconds. So now we have a way of controlling and programming, not just remote control, but actually programming this little motor by Bluetooth. It's rechargeable. And here are the prices that I'm going to be paying because these, I have an account already. I don't get the really cheap welcome price. $8.39 for 2 of them. So we're looking for programming ML motor on AliExpress. I've looked for this motor on Amazon and eBay and Pinterest. It's not out there. There's no brand name. Now, how do we connect this 5x7 Lego compatible part to the base plate? These little pins, single pins, are working right now for this kind of a setup. Here they are, $3.36 for 500 of them. Here's the motor. I'm looking for other items. We can buy, how many? 18 of these 5x7 rectangles for $6.38. We can also 3D print them, but I'm looking for ways to get this set up at the least cost price, and I'm doing it basically on AliExpress with the exception of this Dollar Tree store. The Dollar Tree store, bricks and mortar store, has Make It blocks, which is this little block that's underneath the Lego kit creation. They've got lots of kits. These are $1.25 each. These are the base plates that we can buy for $1.25. More kits available depending on which Dollar Tree store you go to. All these kits are available for $1.25, but on the it says online you have to buy a case quantity. We're not doing that. This is not like Lego compatible. This is not. These are all compatible with Lego. This box is $1.25. Here's another idea we can do with this motor. We don't have it completed yet, but it's an idea. It's an idea of using this motor to drive a car. All the parts fit together. In the box, I'm including several different parts. These gears work to retain a base plate on top of the axle. It stabilizes the base plate if this is on the axle. So I'm including those in the kit that I'm donating to people. So there will be more about all this. Again, the motor is called Programming ML. If anyone finds this motor any source other than AliExpress, I would like to know, just to give people options. But as of right now, AliExpress is the only place that I'm able to find this motor. There will be more.